In today's video, I will walk you through how to secure your Deribit account and enable two-factor authentication. Start by going to your profile settings and opening the two-factor authentication or security keys page. If you want to use an Authenticator app, click Add 2FA app. Give your Authenticator key a name that you will easily recognize. Next, scan the QR code displayed on the screen with your mobile Authenticator app. After scanning the QR code, write down the alphanumeric secret backup key on a physical piece of paper and store it in a secure location. If you lose your phone, this backup key is the only way to restore your two-factor authentication without waiting for customer support. Once you have saved the backup key, enter the temporary 6-digit verification code generated by your Authenticator app to complete the setup. If you prefer to use a passkey or hardware security key instead, stay on the same security keys page and select Add Passkey. Give your security key a unique name. When your browser prompts you, activate your device by following the prompt, then confirm the registration through the browser to finish adding the passkey. Next, review the available security scopes for your security keys. The account scope is the master key. It is required to add or remove other security keys, edit API keys, or change sub-accounts. Only one security key can have the account scope. The login scope is used only for signing into the web interface. The wallet scope is required for starting withdrawals, changing withdrawal addresses, or updating backup email addresses. After configuring your security keys, open the Account Security Configurations panel. Set a withdrawal address timer by configuring a delay for newly added withdrawal addresses. For example, you can set the delay to 14 days. Then enable secondary email confirmation for wallet actions. Set a secondary email address that is different from your primary account email, so it can be used to approve withdrawal requests. Next, activate IP pinning, so an active trading session will automatically end if the active IP address changes. Adjust the safe session duration, so your account automatically logs out after 1 hour of complete inactivity. Finally, if you use trading bots or third-party tracking apps, review your API key settings. Make sure the wallet scope for your API keys is restricted to read-only. Do not grant withdrawal access unless it is absolutely required. Then enable IP whitelisting, so API requests are limited to your specific server's IP address. Once these settings are configured, your account's security setup is complete. Thank you for watching.